beautiful.
What we have here today is Legend's motion sensing LED light kit. Now this is a premium, high quality light system for the back of your van. These things are so bright that it's -5 out and I had to put on sunscreen. And it's almost midnight. As you can see here, it creates a safe, bright, working environment. These allow you to work through the night like the legends we know you are, because we know for a lot of you, your vans don't stop. So we turn night into day with Legend lights. Legend lights are 1800 lumens a piece. You can have up to 4 of them. We sell them in single kits, double kits, triple kits, and quadruple kits. So depending on how much light you need or the size of your van, you can buy whatever package works best for you. Now here we have this mounted in the van on a Legend ceiling. Obviously, why wouldn't you have a ceiling? But sometimes people don't, and there's still options for them. We sell an aluminum bracket kit that allows you to run these lights with no ceiling liner at all. What I like to do first when installing these lights kits is install the provided wiring harness that attaches to the battery. I go directly to the positive and then ground the negative in the van. There's an inline fuse, so you don't gotta worry about that. I would show you, but this is a transit and the battery is under the seat, making it hard to see. So I've installed that already and run my 3-meter cable through the partition into the back of the van, getting power from the front of the van to the back. I'm gonna use the supplied T-fitting, put it on, and then the provided 1.5 meter cable and install that as well. I'll temporarily secure this here and run my cable and just leave it up here for right now. Next, I'll take the provided 3-meter cable, connect it to this watertight fitting, and run it back to where my second light will be placed. I'll run my 3-meter cable from the junction back to where my second light is gonna be. Once I have it there, I can secure it temporarily, secure the rest of the wiring tucked away nicely, and install my headliner. I'm installing these lights on a van that has a ceiling liner. On this, I will start by cutting out the holes where the lights will go. I'm using our supplied template. I've found the center point and I've measured back to front to figure out where it goes. I will trace the line, just like how I spell my name. And I'll use my knife, I'll cut out the circle. Now that I've run my wires, cut the holes for my lights, I can install the headliner. This is normally a 2-person job, I think. And I'm not an upfitter, so everyone be kind to me. I'm gonna try and do this by myself. Now for the grand finale, we will install Legend's LED motion sensing light. Plug it in, forget about it. Let's see what this little beauty can do. That's bright. If you think one's good, wait till I do 2. But really, this kit truly is plug and play. The only knowledge required is it being able to decipher what is the positive and what is the negative. I am by no means a wiring genius. In fact, I have full vehicles at home in my garage, completely done except for the wiring, that I can't drive. I was able to do this kit, and I would guess about 45 minutes, from opening the box to having lights rocking in the back of my van. Depending on how your van has been upfitted, it can make it a little easier or a little harder to install these lights. But a good rule of thumb is about 40 minutes to install a kit. Although, just for the sake of numbers, this Legend right here can do it in 26 minutes. Challenge accepted. An option for you to add on to your order when you order these Legend lights is the Legend kill switch for this light. Now it's a plug that mounts in line so you can turn the back lights off completely. It's especially useful if you have open access to the cab of your vehicle from the back so that the lights don't turn on while you're driving in the dark. It mounts in line and requires no cutting, splicing, or soldering. I'm already with you, treat me right. No, I'm as steady as a shaking. Check out the Legend lights in comparison to other options on the road. We know that you Legends of the road use your vans 24 hours. So no matter what the light quality is, what time of night it is, you can work safely and efficiently in the bright light of your van. Light from the sky, burn. Clayton's in pain, I love it. Clayton's hurting, I love it. He fell again and his hands are so cooled on the ground, I love it. Come on and set the light.